and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I want to show you what I've bought. I've bought a subscription. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I paid for this myself. I'm really looking forward to unboxing this with you because I've never actually had a subscription food package before, so I'm really excited. And this is a pizza one, so I'm doubly excited. So let's take a look inside. Let's have a look. Okay. It shows what's in the box, so I'm going to just open up now, and I've got a recipe on here as well, which I will make in my videos coming up. So anything in here I'm going to be making pizzas with the topping, sauces and things that I get with this box. So I've got my favorite flour in here, the blue Caputo. I've got 1 kilogram of that. Excellent. And look what's in here. It's very well wrapped. Okay, let's see what's this. Right, looking very nice. I've never tried epicure sun-dried tomatoes with capers. Looking forward to putting that on my pizza. Okay, so let's have a look at the next exciting, oh my gosh, San Marzano tomatoes on pizza. Like, that's the first time I'll be using this brand and like San Marzano tomatoes, so yay. This is like having like a Christmas hamper. I mean, it's not Christmas anymore, but it feels like Christmas. So it's all very well wrapped. No chance of anything breaking from this. What's this? A little bit fresh herbs, thyme and butternut squash dip. Ooh, not just for crisps. Freshly picked. I have never used anything like this before. In fact, I can use that on the base of my pizza. It's just that I can't get hold of many of these products, so this is great for me to have this box. It's widening my topping. It's giving me more choice of pizza toppings and things, so it's this one is Great Taste candied jalapenos. Whoa, those look really nice. And again, this is something I would never be able to normally get my hands on. So, oops. Yeah, I'll put them on as well. I think this is the last item. No, it's not. It's not the last item. It's, I don't even know how to say that. Nuja, is that right? I've never been able to get my hands on this either. I've not ever used this, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's a, what does it say it is? It's a spreadable sausage. It's spreadable sausage. So I'm really looking forward to using that as well. Wow. Nuja. I see a lot of people using it on Instagram and on other pizzas, and I've never used it myself, so I'm really looking forward to that. Oh, is there anything else? And just get rid of, if you think for 1 second you're gonna get your teeth into those. I can't help it. You just put it here, it's so tempting. Nope. Nope. Guy, no. One more item in the box. Hey, Dylan's chili oil. Oh, oh, that's nice. I've got plenty of time. It's not going to go off for a long time. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this. Chili oil. Ooh, a lovely bottle. It's a really lovely bottle as well. Very nice. Well, I am very excited to start using all this. Gonna definitely just put everything in what you get. You can see all these, I think they're very fancy ingredients that I don't normally get to use on my pizzas, apart from the flour. The other ingredients are, you know, ones that I would love to have and just can't get my hands on really, or I didn't know that they would be good on pizza. So I'm really excited. I just wanted to quickly show you what I've got, and I'll be getting, I think I get my next one in the spring. I think it's 4 times a year you get a box for the different seasons, so I guess my next one will be in the spring. So these are going to last me for a while anyway. This is going to definitely last me. I mean, the flour won't, but and the tomatoes won't, but I guess I can make quite a lot of pizza toppings of pizza with these jars here, and start off making the first recipe in here. So just wanted to show you my exciting purchase, and I'm really glad that it's available. It's nice to have those options to put on my pizza. So I'll be making pizza using these ingredients in the next few videos, so watch out for them. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're okay. Take care. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.